What is Ollama? Ollama is a tool and ecosystem that allows you to run large language models, LLMs, locally on your machine, like LLaMA, Mistral, Gemma, etc. Download, manage, and interact with these models easily. Use a Docker-like CLI interface to start and use models, Ollama run LLaMA 2, for example. Integrate with your own apps or experiments using simple APIs. It bridges the gap between raw machine learning models and developers who want to use them in real-world applications. Why use Ollama? 1. Local privacy. Run models without sending data to the cloud. 2. Offline capability. No need for internet access after models are downloaded. 3. Customizable. Run fine-tuned models or custom configurations. 4. Fast prototyping. Test different models and prompts quickly. 5. Low barrier to entry. Simplifies using powerful open-source models. Core concepts. 1. Models. Ollama supports many open-source models. LLaMA 2 Meta, Mistral, Gemma Google, CodeLLaMA for Code. Mistral, mixture of experts. Models are pulled and run with simple commands. 2. Model files. Models are stored locally in .ollama directories. You can customize model parameters via model file, a Docker file-like config for models. 3. Ollama CLI. Key commands. Ollama run LLaMA 2 starts a chat session with the LLaMA 2 model. Ollama pull Mistral downloads a model. Ollama list lists available models. Ollama create Mimital F model file builds a custom model. Installation requirements: macOS, Apple Silicon and Intel, Windows, or Linux. 8 GB plus RAM, more for larger models. Ollama is optimized for CPU and Apple GPU. Optional CUDA support on Linux. Installation, macOS example. Example, running a chat session. Output. This launches an interactive shell using the LLaMA 2 model. Advanced features. 1. Model file like Docker file. 2. API server. Start Ollama in server mode to receive HTTP requests. Then send a prompt using curl. Use cases: chatbots, programming assistants, educational tools, offline research assistants, private document analysis. Considerations: model size affects RAM and speed. Smaller models are faster but less capable. Security: while local, ensure models used are from trusted sources. Hardware limits: LLMs still require decent memory and processing power. The future of Ollama: increasing support for more models, fine-tuning and training support, integration with platforms like LangChain and LLaMA Index, GUI frontends for non-technical users.